So this is as the continuation from the part 2 polynomial expansion. So by now, if you have watched the part 1 and part 2 polynomial expansion, you will have learned how to expand a proper multiplication in the bracket form. And then followed by part 2, which is a plus b in the bracket of square. And now within part 3 here, we have another new formula called a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Essentially, it is the same as the previous formula that we have learned. But in this case, you have this negative here. That's why I've indicated in the red form. And this will be your negative also. Okay, so the changes will be only this in the red form. X minus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. So with the conventional or the old methods of calculation, you need to multiply this x by this x, followed by this x with the negative 4. Next will be negative 4 times x. The next one will be negative 4 times negative 4. So this is what you are going to have. X squared minus 4x plus 16. And the next line here will be, if you combine both reds together, negative 4x, it will become negative 8x. All right, so this is actually the convention of calculations. Now, if you have this a minus b squared here, this will be the formula that we are going to use. So first, we copy down this x minus 4 square equation. Next, we plug in this x value into this a and 4 value into this b here. Okay, and in the middle interval here, you have negative 2ab. So which means that you need to multiply negative 2 with a and b, which is your x and 4. So what it's going to look like will be x squared minus 2 bracket x multiplied by 4 plus 4 squared. So this is the formula that you need to write down in order for you to practice for the time being. And lastly, you combine these 3 terms together, it becomes negative 8x, which is the same as the conventional method. Question 2, x minus 2a squared here. So your a will be your x, your b will be your 2a. When we expand it, so the first term will be x squared minus 2 times x times 2a plus 2a in the bracket of square, which follow this standard formula. So when you expand all these brackets, you get negative 4ax plus 4a squared. Question 3, 3a minus y in the bracket of square. You get 3a squared for your first term minus 2 times 3a times y plus y squared. So therefore you get 9a squared minus 6ay plus y squared.